So as a remedy to that, I really advise you to sleep on wool. Why this is going to help is because as a thermoregulatory fiber, wool has a unique ability to cool the body down by drawing moisture away from the body. This, for you, if you're sweating, means less waking up, less sweating, and deeper quality sleep, like I mentioned before. So also know that, as well as improving your mental well-being and your mental clarity, slow wave sleep is really important for metabolism. So for anyone who is a little bit challenged in their metabolism right now, finding that it's slowing down, having deep quality sleep actually heightens your metabolic rate because it allows the key hormone to govern metabolism, human growth hormone, to be manufactured optimally. So essentially, whether it's for metabolism or mental clarity, getting slow wave sleep is going to be your best friend, and in order to do that, sleeping on wool is also a great way and simply going to help you remedy those night sweats. Hope this has been helpful. I look forward to seeing you again soon.